film that right back there. Can you see that? In the front of it. And then we'll take the side panel off of here.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Juicy.
Wait, hold the camera straight. There you go. All right, now let me have you stand. If you can get the camera down low, and can you get me in the, can you see it? Putting you to work.
Yeah.
We ready?
Yeah.
You ready for this spectacular showing of 4th of July dust works?
Yep, let's do it.
Here we go.
Just happened to be downwind.
Wow, that was one of the worst I've ever seen. Glad we got that on camera though. Did you see how, you're right, it was very juicy. Good word for it. Now look at, take some close-ups of that. Look, it almost looks like brand new in there now. Nice and slow. Like look where the fans are in particular. Where there was a lot of dust.
Like new.
Alright, now we can work on it without getting Legionnaire's disease. Then you just hit that red button.